Albay Representative Joey Salceda expressed support to presidential daughter and Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, one of the possible candidates in the 2022 presidential elections. Mayor Inday has made the mark on Salceda when she was seen punching a sheriff. Salceda says Inday Sara has the resolve to do what is required by the moment. Salceda says the Davao mayor is not afraid to criticize policies even with the cabinet officials of her father. Salceda notes Mayor Sara is a very studious official, possessed of a sharp wit and capable of grasping the complexities of the economy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.